In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Power BI to QuickBooks. Connecting QuickBooks to Power BI lets you turn your accounting data into clear, interactive visuals so you can spot trends faster and make better decisions. I'll walk you through the exact path inside QuickBooks to get to the Power BI connector, and I'll share a few tips to keep things smooth along the way. Start inside your QuickBooks account and look toward the top right of the screen. Up there, near the Settings area, you'll find the Integrations option. It typically sits right beside Settings, so if you see the gear icon for Settings, you're in the right neighborhood. Go ahead and open Integrations. If you don't immediately see it, you may be in a view with limited permissions or a plan that hides certain options. That's okay. Just check that you're in the correct company and have the access you expect. Once you're in Integrations, select the Find Integrations option. This takes you to a searchable catalog of available connections. In the search bar, type Power BI. You should see the dedicated integration appear. This is the connector that enables QuickBooks to share data with Power BI securely. Click the Power BI connector to open it. You'll land on an overview page that explains what the connector does and what types of data it will access. It's a good idea to read this summary so you understand the scope of the connection and any permissions involved. This page is also helpful for confirming you've opened the right integration before you proceed. At the top right of the connector's overview page, you'll see the Get Integration Now button. That's the control you'll use to start the connection process. In some environments, like test or sandbox accounts, this button can appear grayed out. If that happens, don't worry. The path is still the same in a live account with the proper access. In production, with the right subscription and permissions, this button becomes active and you can continue from here. After you click Get Integration Now, the platform guides you through the remaining prompts. The on-screen flow is straightforward and focuses on confirming that you want QuickBooks to connect to Power BI. If anything doesn't look right, simply pause and review the overview details again before proceeding. And that's it. To recap, go to the top right in QuickBooks, open Integrations beside Settings, choose Find Integrations, search for Power BI, open the Power BI connector, review the overview, and use Get Integration Now when it's available. Once connected, your QuickBooks data is ready to power your dashboards and reports in Power BI.